Alrighty, hi there. So today we're gonna do a little PowerPoint on Moore's Law, and I have a little quiz for us to do. My name is Melissa Dooley, and let's continue on. So question 1, what company is Jordan E. Moore known from? And the answer is Intel. So he was actually the co-founder of Intel. He wasn't the only founder, but he was co-founding it. Question 2, what is Moore's Law? So Moore's Law is essentially the doubling speed of computer processors. There is more complications as you learn more about Moore's laws, but for this specific class, we don't need that in-depth definition. We just need to know the basics of it and what it does. Question 3, true, false. As computers processors evolve, will we pay more for it? Or we will pay more for it because it's true, false. That would be false. Question 4, how many years does it take for the computer processing speed to double? According to Moore's Law, of course. And that answer would be 2 years. Yep. Alrighty. Question 5, does Moore's Law still apply today? Now this one's a little bit of a tricky one. The simple answer, yes and no. More in depth would be that we still use Moore's Law as a base guideline. It helped us know where we are at this point, but it's inaccurate right now because the processing speed, the doubling speed, is faster than the 2-year pace that Moore originally set. You know, when he first predicted this in 1965, and then he redid it around 1975, but still his predictions are too slow for us in this age. And that's all I have for questions, but these are my fancy references as they come out with the animation. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming and listening to me.